It's day 21 of Black History Month, and we're diving into 29 days of Black invention. Because let's face it, we've invented a lot of things. Meet John Stanard, the trailblazing Black inventor who transformed kitchen appliances, setting the standard for today's models. In 1891, Stanard earned a patent for his improvements to the refrigerator. His design featured a manually filled ice chamber, separate from the main unit for chilling. He incorporated holes to ensure cold air circulated from the ice chamber to the main refrigerator, keeping perishables fresh. Also, his design required no electricity. But that's not all. 2 years prior, he also patented his improvements to the stovetop. His space-saving design was perfect for areas like buffet cars where space was limited. Want to learn some more Black history facts? Hit that follow button for a daily dose of Black inventions all month long.